Let's talk about the most counterintuitive email marketing secret that changed everything for my clients. You need to send fewer emails to fewer people. Yes, you heard that right. The obsession with growing your list to massive numbers is actively destroying your deliverability. Here's why. Email service providers track how recipients engage with your messages. When you repeatedly send to subscribers who never open your emails, you're telling Gmail, Yahoo, and other providers that your content isn't valuable. Eventually, they'll start sending even your best emails straight to spam, even for your engaged subscribers. I worked with a consultant who was devastated when her open rates dropped from 25% to just 7% in 3 months. When we analyzed her account, we discovered she'd been sending to her entire list of 15,000 subscribers, regardless of engagement history. We immediately implemented an aggressive list hygiene protocol, removing subscribers who hadn't opened her emails in 90 days. Her list shrank to 6,000 people. But here's the shocking part. Her next campaign delivered nearly double the total opens, despite sending to 60% fewer people. And her revenue? It actually increased by 22%. This counterintuitive approach of strategic list cleaning isn't something most marketers talk about because it feels wrong to delete subscribers you worked hard to acquire. But proper email list hygiene is the foundation of deliverability. Our email marketing planner includes detailed workflows for maintaining pristine list health while running strategic re-engagement campaigns to recover dormant subscribers before removal. And right now, during our spring promotion, all our packages are 50% off, including our email deliverability audit service. Stop sacrificing your reputation on the altar of list size. Visit the link in my bio to access the planning tools that will transform your email deliverability. Sometimes the path to better results requires sending less, not more.